So I'm gonna show you next what's inside Varjo account portal. So I have logged in to Varjo account portal, and here you can find many valuable things. First, we do have here link to the latest Varjo-based software version. We can also see all the release notes for the previous Varjo-based software versions available, in case you would need to access those. Next, we have, after the Varjo base, we have a section for Varjo firmware. We have details here available for the XR4 Varjo firmware, as well as to the previous generation of the headsets. When I do go inside here, you're able to access the latest Varjo-based firmware versions. Next, we do have inside the Varjo account portal available the public demos available for your use with the commercial Varjo user account. Here we have a section for the XR4 headsets, so demos that are ideal for the XR4 headset again. There are different demos available, and the different versions of the demos do also tell some details, such as which game engine was used for the demo. Then, if you scroll down, below the showcases for the XR4 headset, we have also older demos available for the previous generation of the headsets as well. And that's practically all what's inside Varjo account portal.